Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Okemuti Fole Ernest, your tech savvy. So guys, today I'm going to share with you how you can actually make money from Amazon KDP. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to talk about two practical ways that you can make money from Amazon KDP. All right, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all that you've been doing for us here on this channel. And please don't also forget to share this channel to your loved ones and get them to subscribe also. All right, so guys, like I said before, I'm going to share with you guys two practical ways that you can make money from Amazon KDP. Okay, so if you're someone who publishes on Amazon and you've not made a single sales, I'm going to share with you these tips that will help you to make money from Amazon. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So right now, currently we have 601 subscribers as at when I was making this video. Guys, please, I would love us to get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know how impossible that sounds, but I just believe we can get to that stage, even if not 1,000, but at least close to. Okay, so guys, let me take you to what I have for you today. So now, most times people get to ask me how are they going to make their first sales. Now it's not enough for you to just go to Amazon and then you just upload anything. Okay, so it's not just about going to Amazon KDP and then you just upload anything you see and then you expect to make sales. There are a lot of things that need to be done, okay, aside from just uploading and publishing your books on Amazon. A lot of things has to go behind the scene. A lot of things have been done behind the scene for you to get maximum results. All right, so when you're not well informed about those things, you will feel it's just for you to upload, design and publish and then you start making sales. Hell no, it doesn't happen that way. Okay, so guys, one of the things I want to share with you is how to make money from Amazon as that's personally. How do you make money from Amazon personally? Now you can make money from Amazon personally by publishing your books on Amazon, and after publishing you can work on your keywords, make research on some of the keywords that are actually ranking for sales, make research on keywords that people are actually searching for, and then I would advise you to do market research. You need to research on what people are searching for before you start creating your books to sell. All right, there are some books that you'll be passionate about writing but will not make a single sales, but there are books that you don't even have interest in but they are making sales. So that's why you need to make some market research. You need to make research on what people are actually searching for before you start creating your content to upload on Amazon KDP. All right, now after you've done that, you also need to work on to see how you can run ads on Amazon. Okay, this is also another way to make money faster on Amazon KDP. You can run adverts on Amazon. Now maybe in one of my videos I'm going to show you guys how you can start running adverts on Amazon, but definitely not on this video. Okay, so if you have your books that you're selling and you've uploaded, you're not making sales, then I think it's time for you to start running adverts on Amazon. Okay, so I'm trying to search for particular book on Amazon KDP. So you get to see a lot of them. This is a hardcover book. The price is actually $28. Okay, we have a lot of them, a lot of them. You can see, and from what I'm seeing here, most of them are bestsellers and they have a lot of ratings already. Okay, you can see people already rate them because they feel this book has a lot of content. So you get to run adverts on Amazon. If you see, can you see this one? Now this is a sponsored ad. This is sponsored. That's why you're seeing this option here, sponsored. These people are currently running adverts on this book that you're seeing here. So for you to know when to run adverts on your ads, when you're not making sales, then you should start making budget on running adverts for your books on Amazon KDP. Then another thing you need to know is you should learn to publish your books on time. Like this festive period now, this period of Christmas, and then maybe next year you start hearing about Easter, you start hearing about Black Friday, you start hearing about Thanksgiving, you start, and just like that. So whenever you want to create content, always create the content at least a month or two before the festive period. Okay, for example, people who are going to make sales from Amazon KDP on Christmas related books, they've already published their book like 2-3 months ago. That way it helps you to rank better, because before the market gets saturated, your books are already making waves, your books are already being featured on the early search on Amazon KDP. But when you start, for example, now some of you, now this is the period you want to start creating Christmas books, you want to start creating Christmas logbook, Christmas souvenirs or journals that you want to sell on Amazon. It will be very difficult for you to make sales unless you run ads on them. But if you are someone who has published your book for like 3 months ago, 2 months ago, there's a possibility that you're going to make sales. Okay, so when you put these things into consideration, you are going to make sales on Amazon. Now the other method I'm going to share with you is the method that most people have not really looked into. Okay, they are just focused on how to publish on Amazon KDP and make some dollars. Now this method I'm going to also show you now, or this process I'm going to list out for you, I'm also going to help you to make some good amount of money. Okay, even if you're not making money from Amazon KDP for a start, but with this knowledge you're going to make money. Now the first one I'm going to talk about is Canva. Okay, now if you notice, most of the designs I've been doing are done with Canva. Now this knowledge I have on Canva has been making me some good amount of money, because people want to learn how to use Canva alone. Personally, they want to learn how to use Canva, they want to learn how to be able to create designs, they want to learn how to create cover pages, they want to learn how to do a lot of things on Canva that will help them to enhance their skills on Amazon KDP. And trust me, when they know that you can really teach them how to use this Canva, they are ready to pay you. Okay, so Canva is one of the ways that you can make money from this Amazon KDP as a skill, because while you are trying to publish your books on Amazon, you're also personally learning how to use Canva. So if you have a very strong knowledge base on how to use Canva, you can teach people how to do that. Or if possible, people can reach out to you and say, okay, we want you to create our cover designs, we want you to create our interior designs for us. And they don't care to know whether you're using Canva or not. You get paid and just get the job done. Nobody's going to ask you what tool are you using. What they are after is, how do you is our job ready, and all of that. Okay, so that's how it's been done. So you get to make money from Canva, or you're teaching people how to use Canva, they get to pay you, and if possible, like I said, people get to pay you to do some of those design jobs for them. Now another way you can make money from this thing, Amazon KDP, is by account creation. Now most times I've gotten a lot of people who come to me, they want to set up their Amazon KDP, but they are not, like, they are too busy to do all of that. So I tell them, if you want me to set it up for you, this is the amount I charge. If you want to learn how to do it all by yourself, this is the amount I also charge. So personally, I already created a course around this Amazon KDP. So if you want to learn it by yourself, you want to learn how to use Amazon KDP by yourself, I've tagged the course for the rate of 10,000 naira. Now if you want me to do it for you, it's actually 12,000. So you see the difference. So if you feel, oh, I'm too busy, I don't know how to access my laptop and all of that, I don't know how to go about it, and you want me to do it for you, you pay and I do it for you. And if you want to do it by yourself, you also pay to watch me show you how to do it. Okay, so you can make money from teaching people how to create their account on Amazon KDP, and you can also make money from showing people how to use Canva for their designs, and you can also get paid for doing those designs for people using Canva. Okay, now another thing you can get paid for is keyword research, description, categories, and all of that. Now most people sincerely don't understand how these things work. Okay, so they are willing to pay people to get this thing done for them. What they are after is to just publish, and you'll be the one to get those things done. For like example, their title. Most people don't know how to come up with a good title for their book. Like this book you're seeing on my screen right now, which says website, build a website now, a beginner's guide to website development, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Most people don't know how to come up with content or titles like this, so they are willing to pay people who have idea on how to come up with titles, how to come up with categories, keyword search, and the rest of them. Okay, so you can get paid for doing that, and for you to get paid for doing that, that means you need to know your work very well. You need to know it like the back of your palm. All right, so that's another way you can make money from that. Okay, so far I think I've mentioned about 3 ways. I said you can create account for people and get paid, you can teach them how to do it themselves and also get paid, and then you can teach people how to use Canva in their design jobs and get paid, and as well get paid for designing for people using Canva. All right, okay, so those are the methods with which you can make money from Amazon. So I've mentioned two steps or 2 methods actually. I said the personal method, that is you just be publishing your books on Amazon and just do a few things to get your books seen by people, like running adverts, using the right keyword, using the right category, and the rest of them. Then the second method is where I talked about offering this skill as a service to people, offering it as a service to people. If you know how Amazon KDP works, you can teach it as a skill to people. You can offer it as a service to people and get paid. And examples of ways you can offer it as a service to people, I made mention of account creation. You can get paid for creating accounts, setting up accounts for people. Recently I created an account for someone, and the account was actually approved within few hours. It didn't take much time, both the Payoneer account and the Amazon KDP and everything. It didn't take up to an hour. Everything was updated and verified by each of these platforms, and I got paid. So you can do that yourself while you're waiting to make sales on Amazon KDP. All right, and then I also talked about Canva. Let me tell you guys, sincerely speaking, Canva is a great tool if you know how to navigate around it. Canva is a great tool. Do not allow anybody to talk you down on stuff like they say Canva is not for lazy designers. It's not for lazy designers. Do not let anybody talk you down by the tool you're using. Canva is great. It's amazing. It has a lot of features that most of these sophisticated softwares cannot really give to you, and you understand. It's very simple, straight to point, and it gets the job done easily. I'm not disputing the fact that other softwares are great. For me personally, I use softwares like CorelDRAW, Figma, Photoshop, and the rest of them. I use them very well. But you see, Canva, whenever I want to just quickly get something done, I use Canva. It's very, very easy. It makes your job deliverability to be very, very easy. Okay, so that's for one. I said you can offer Canva as a skill or offer it as a service to people. That is, you can use Canva to create designs for people who are willing to pay you to design for them, and you can also teach them how to use Canva as well and get paid. And then the next method I said was you can also get paid for helping people to come up with keyword research, helping people to come up with title for their books, descriptions, and so on and so forth. If you know how to do these things, you can get paid handsomely for doing these things. Okay, so these are the few ways you can actually make money on Amazon KDP. So if you watched to this very stage, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video so that YouTube can get to show this video to more persons, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video here again. See you guys.